let's come over here. Let's see if we're live yet. Oh, very good. We are live. This is what I like to see. A little bit of pop-out chat action here. This is a impromptu session, in part prompted by some chat with my friend from Tunisia, who's continued to try to master the art of data analytics and data science. All right, code. Let's do this. Let's do what? Let's do conniving size. So we got company, pizza name, type, size, price. Okay. What I'm looking for is, okay, so it's 371 rows by 5 columns. Very good. So let's just change this to head. So this is a fairly small data set. The main thing is price. It's kind of annoying that the size isn't separate from the actual name of the size. But you see the price, cheese pizza. Let's see. Domino's pizza, hand tossed, cheese. So it appears for each one, maybe, there's 3 sizes, okay? So let's try this. So the question is, how do you analyze data? Okay, how do you analyze data? And the answer is, way I approach it, I look at the column types first. We got 4 categorical variables and only 1 price. Okay. Like I said, it'd be nice if small was separate from if the small and the actual size was in separate columns, but that's okay. So what can we do? We can begin by doing a count of a actually, we can begin by doing cleaning up the names. This is probably the most useful function of the janitor package. That is, so it's going to take these names, okay, change to the lowercase, and then it's going to put an underscore between the 2 names, okay? Let's come back up here and rerun this in. Because that's what it's supposed to do. Okay, and it did, all right? The next obvious thing is we come up here. We know do we know who the company is? Is the company all Domino's? Also, we do have different pizzas. Oh, look at this. Very good. Very good. Excellent. And we could do something very quick and dirty like this, okay? And when you want to count, the actual count is Y, as you can see there. All right. Let's just change the label. We can also do this over here. Oop, we forgot to, of course. And let's do this. Okay, I'm trying to think of what the command is to rotate. Oh, geez. This is embarrassing. Hang on a second here. It's coordinate wrap, but I can't remember how to spell it out. Oh. So the function's coordinate wrap, but I can't remember what the name is. Now the thing about this is, this isn't sales data, all right? But it is categorical data, all right? So let's do this. Let's go to ChatGPT. Coordinate flip. Uh, what is that? Let's do this also. Very good. Let's do one more thing. Let's do a sort. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. So this needs to be okay. Oops. Let's try Y. There we go. Oh, shoot. Very good. So here's the company name, and this CUMPAN. What did I spell company? CUMPAN. Okay. Okay. So there's company name. Let's come down here. Let's do the same thing, but instead let's take pizza name. This is some of the easiest, but also useful, quick EDA you can do by plotting categorical variables. Okay. That's kind of curious, isn't it? Okay. What about type? Okay, so that could certainly be useful. Oops. All right. There we go. Cheese pizzas. Interesting. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, see what the trouble was here. Oh no. Oh, we need to convert. Very good. Now I'm sure there's a better way, okay? I just don't know what it is right offhand. Okay, that was fairly easy. Now, interesting enough, there's GoSub is a base R function. Okay, so it's kind of curious. And I'm sure there's a as underscore numeric function. We could probably do this as a mutate. So we could, in theory, do this. All right. Let's see. Okay, good. Let's see. I'm not quite sure how you would be able to predict the price using this, but anyway. So let's just come over here to code my work. Let's just pull up here my little function here. Now there actually is a package called summary, and it actually has this data right in there for it. But this function was actually written by ChatGPT. Okay, so data and column. So if we run this, well, let's leave that there for right now. And let's just come down here. Let's do some analysis, quick analysis on price. So let's do Huh. Now let's do a quick box plot. You know, if you look at it, yeah, it is slightly skewed to the right, but it's still pretty. But most of them are still pretty much in the center between whatever these two numbers there are. And you can see here that the median is a little bit to the left of center. It looks like maybe, but the actual distribution is pretty even. Okay. Now the question is, so let's try something here then. Let's see if we can get this to do something here. Oh, then there we have it. Okay. So we got a row count 371, a mean of 16.3, a median. So they are pretty close. Variance, min, max, first quartile, third quartile. So it's a fairly it is fairly evenly distributed. So I hope you like that little function there. Like I said, if you go to my code for my account, you'll see something that's actually called function. Okay, it's actually called descriptive statistics function. Okay, and no one has actually looked at it yet. And that, my dear friends, will how do we come over here? And with that, my dear friends, I'm going to bring this session to a close. Hey, I'll be back here tonight at 8 p.m. sharp to begin doing the data cleaning for the cyclistic bike share data set using ChatGPT and the R programming language. Of course, Tidyverse and friends along the way, okay? Thanks so much for your time, folks. We'll see you this evening at 8. And of course, 9 p.m. will be what? That will be something else. I don't remember. A second stream at 9 p.m. also. It should have to do with BigQuery, maybe. We'll see. Anyway, 8 p.m., 9 p.m. tonight, 2 additional live streams, 3 total for today, okay?